Hey there! Welcome to a new unboxing video. Today's gonna be a little different because this one is special. This is kinda like a childhood dream coming true, so I wanna talk through this one and capture my actual reaction because this moment feels important to me. So without further ado, let's get started! Ooh, I'm already seeing a glimpse of the box. If you grew up with Toy Story, you already know what this means. Wow, I didn't expect to feel this excited. Here it goes. Wow. Wow. So here he is, my first ever Buzz Lightyear. Pretty sure 10-year-old me is crying right now. This honestly feels like a dream come true. So, yep, his helmet does that whoosh thing. He talks.
To infinity and beyond. It's a secret mission in uncharted space. Let's go.
Nice. He has a laser. Nice. This is my favorite. And also another one of my favorites is the karate chop action. I really love that one. He also has his wrist communicator right here. So, yeah, I really love it. Alright, now I can put my name here. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video with my reaction to it. And before I end this video, I should mention that I actually bought this online and not directly from the Disney store. So if you notice some damage in the box, that's probably why. Honestly though, it doesn't bother me at all. As long as Buzz himself is perfectly fine, that's all that matters to me. Because at the end of the day, this is still my very first Buzz Lightyear, and it's been a dream come true for me. And who knows, maybe this is the start of more Buzz Lightyear or Toy Story videos on this channel. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified. Until next time, to infinity and beyond.